Hello everyone, let's solve the 12th question from A-SNAP in 60-second series. This question is taken from the analytical and logical reasoning section. Please read the question once and then let's solve the question together. So the question says, refer to the data below and answer the question that follows. हम directly statement पढ़ेंगे and then conclusions को analyze करेंगे. So the first statement says G cross H. A cross B means A is not equal to or greater than B. यानी कि A has to be lesser than B. यानी कि हम conclude कर सकते हैं G is less than H. The second statement says H is approximately equal to I. When A is approximately equal to B, it means A is not lesser than B. यानी कि हम इसमें भी बोल सकते हैं कि H is not lesser than I. यानी कि H या तो equal हो सकता है या तो greater than I हो सकता है. So we'll write it down as H is greater than or equal to I. The third statement says I plus J. A plus B means A is neither greater nor lesser than B. यानी कि A को equal होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ना वो less है ना greater than है B से. So I is equals to J. अब इन तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स को मिला के हम एक स्टेटमेंट में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि G which is less than H and H in turn is greater than or equal to I. and हमें पता है I and J equal है तो हम एक इक्वेशन ये भी बना सकते हैं कि G is less than H which is greater than or equal to J. अब हम एक एक करके conclusions पढ़ते हैं. The first conclusion given is G divided by I. When A is divided by B, it means A is not equal to or lesser than B. यानी कि A is greater than B. यानी कि first conclusion कह रहा है G is greater than I. अब हमें पता है कि G और I दोनों ही या तो लेस है H से या तो इक्वल है तो हम कंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते कहीं से भी कि G is greater than I. So this does not follow. The second one says J percent H. When it says A percent B, it means A is not greater than B. यानी कि A या तो इक्वल हो सकता है या तो लेस हो सकता है. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि J is either equal to or less than H. हाँ ये हमें इस इक्वेशन से पता चल रहा है सो ये हो सकता है. लेट्स कीप दिस ऑन होल्ड. द थर्ड कंक्लूजन सेज J plus G. When it's A plus B, it means A is neither greater nor lesser than B. यानी कि A is equals to B. यानी ये कह रहा है J is equals to G. यहाँ किसी भी इक्वेशन से हम ये नहीं कंक्लूड कर पाएंगे कि J is equals to G. We know I is equals to J, but ये कंक्लूजन कहीं से नहीं आ रहा है. So the only conclusion that follows is 2. So our answer for this question is option 2, only 2. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for solving more such SNAP questions. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.